Kadhisha mwenye mnono ntuboko na kanyaga kuatana abatu kiendeto chieto chia wero dhaimwe na nusu mbeto awini wa Kinyeru mwona leto mathithio tukubweru ari imorin kiremi ndeto chieto ikethira ikiambiririo thai. Minister wa karibu deni na wathani bwa matura Kipchumba Murkomen na wete ati Ntumiiri Ya Meru bakiringanithwa na wenyagia burabo umire ntuku ya maandamano ya Saba Saba amwe na boy giutati na Ntumiiri Ya County Commissioner wa County ya Meru nwe Jacob Uma urakiume kithiru wethire Ntumiiri ati baraba wa atini atu nkolokie gana rimwe akiaria CS Murkomen nkolokia ari wa Ntumiiri na baili bakwirire ki maandamano yana bangi mana yatandatu kuwata ngurario na ati Ntumiiri no mwe bakwithira becho nkunwa irwanyirwo kandana na wagagio wa nthuruni ya Kenya. Ntoni Kathenya na twambiriri na ripoti iyo.
Are you ready?
Akialilia ni kibante twa mujwa Nairobi, waziri wa wekele Kipchumba Murkomen liu ni idhuletia tanto milongwene ni balekite kugwatwa no ntuba winyange bulabo athikire county ya Meru ntuke ya maandamano ma Saba Saba ilo ndukani nene ya Magunas, ndukani nene ya Sunlight na kilabu ga 7-Eleven.
In Meru, a group of thugs set ablaze Magunas supermarket using suspected petrol bomb. Years of investment went up in flames. The criminal elements stole alcoholic drinks also from the 7-Eleven bar. Selenite supermarket was not spared. In the looting and the mayhem, 40 suspects have been arrested in Meru in relation to these criminal acts.
Kulingana na waziri Kipchumba Murkomen antungilime magana matano balekite kugwata kumantere monye ja Kenya akenya 50 baditi na mbere gusonkonwa na bangi 70 bagisonkona wanigitengu ya corona gaidi.
Arising out of this unprecedented attacks, close to 1,500 people have been arrested countrywide and are facing various charges including terrorism, murder, robbery with violence, sexual assault, arson, malicious damage to property, and targeted attacks on strategic national infrastructure. Of these, 50 individuals are currently under investigation by various crimes investigation units, while 71 cases are being handled by the anti-terrorism police unit for offenses related to acts of terrorism.
Kulingana na waziri Kipchumba Murkomen wiki na ebulabu athikire ntuke ya Saba Saba botale bwa maandamano endi bwalebo banganine ekinae balabali na mubango wa kugarura katiba.
What was witnessed on 25th of June and 7th July was stark testament to the extent to which the sponsors of this anarchy are ready to go to subvert the constitution. This was not protest. It was pure premeditated criminality, deliberate, dangerous, and deeply disturbing. In this chaos, 42 Kenyans regrettably lost their lives and close to 600 were injured. Out of these injuries, 496 were law enforcement officers.
Murkomen okagitaka ni aligatite na miario lwale munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua ati kwina gikundi kia polisi kithondeketwe gya kuraga antu kagitaka maandamano.
It would be unconstitutional and illegal to establish a squad anywhere in Kenya to kill people. All the squads, all the police formations and units in the republic are intended to protect people, not to kill people.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbita Antony Rangi wa Kathenya.